Hey everyone, welcome to Pink Quiz, your daily dose of fun trivia and brain teasers. Subscribe now and let's start quizzing.
Would you rather? Strawberry or squishy strawberry? Tell Pink Quiz in the comments. Would you rather? Real or squish? Cupcake or squishy cupcake? Which one wins? Choose now. Number 3. Would you rather? Real or squishy? Pick your favorite. Real or squishy? What's your pick? Burger or squishy burger? Would you rather? Pizza slice or squishy pizza slice? Choose fast. And would you rather? Real or squishy? Which side are you on? Donut or squishy donut? Pick one. Tell in comments. Real or squishy watermelon slice? Like if squishy cookie or squishy cookie? Lollipop or squishy lollipop? Choose anyone and tell us. Corn or squishy corn? What's your pick? Croissant or squishy croissant? Which one wins? Ice cream or squishy ice cream? Pick your favorite. Carrot or squishy carrot? Choose fast. Real or squishy cheese or squishy cheese? What's your vote? That's it for today, squad. Comment your favorite pick below. Like this video and subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you in the next challenge. Bye-bye.
Disclaimer: this video is created for educational and informational purposes using advanced AI tools and human creativity. All concepts, scripting, and storytelling are independently developed to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are generated or enhanced using AI technologies such as Canva and Group AI, while final editing and post-production are completed using CapCut and other professional editing tools. No external creator content has been copied or reused. Any resemblance to real work environments, factories, or process is purely coincidental. All senses shown in this video are digitally created and do not represent real footage. This content is produced with transparency and follows YouTube monetization guidelines.